Namaste students. We are going to continue with the previous video which we did. I started Bayes theorem there, but just gave an introduction to Bayes theorem and then two basic concepts related to Bayes theorem. One was partitions of the sample space and one was theorem of total probability. Alright, the next is Bayes theorem. I explained you where do we apply Bayes theorem. Again, I'll give you an example. There are three bags. I need to select a red ball. I have to select a red ball. Now I know that red ball, first of all, this is E-way bag 1, bag 2, bag 3. So first the bag 1 will be selected and then a red ball from bag 1. Then or bag 2, then a red ball from bag 2 or a bag 3, then a red ball from bag 3. This is theorem of total probability. ठीक है, यहाँ तक तो हमने ऑलरेडी कर लिया है. अब वो कहता है कि रेड बॉल तो सिलेक्ट हो गई. Find the probability that the red ball which is already selected, जो चीज हो चुका है वो कंडीशन बन जाती है. That is, it is selected from bag 2. It is selected from bag 2. Find the probability that the red ball has been selected. Find the probability of bag 2 so that the red ball is selected from here. Probability of the red ball has already been selected. Find the probability that it is from bag 2. That means पीछे जाना है वापस. क्या हमने पीछे कैसे जाना है? I told you, give an example कि मैं अंदर आई, 3 बैग्स पड़े थे, पहले मैंने बैग चूज किया, उसमें से एक बॉल निकाली, बॉल तो निकल गई. अब वो ये कहता है कि इसकी प्रोबेबिलिटी निकालो कि रेड बॉल तो तुमने चूज कर ली, वो बैग 2 में से है. ठीक है, तो सिंपल. अप टू हियर यू हैव टू डू द क्वेश्चन आई टोल्ड यू इन द प्रीवियस वीडियो. अब उसके आगे क्या है? I have to find out the probability of bag 2 when the red ball is selected. That is, I'll explain it by this. Bag 2, when the red ball has been selected, it is simple. Bag 2 वाला जो portion है वो ऊपर लिखना है. Divided by जो सारा निकाला है A की probability. So that is the base. Only जिस बैग में से probability निकालनी है वो वाला portion ऊपर and total नीचे. That is called Bayes theorem. Understood? Is it clear? That's called Bayes theorem. I hope it's clear to everyone. Alright children, let's do some examples. See, before I do examples, I want to make one thing very clear. In Bayes theorem questions, the examples length is bigger. You know, paragraphs are big. But you just have to understand, you have to pick up the data which is related to you. Write the data in this form, mathematical form, substitute, that's it. Only children face problem in understanding the question. And that's not difficult once you practice. Alright, that is very, very easy. Let's pick up few examples. So I'll read a question. Bag 1, this bag 1, contains 3 red, 4 black balls. Another bag contains 5 red, 6 black balls. One ball is drawn at random from one of the bags and it is found to be red. Find the probability it was drawn from bag 2. एक ball choose की गई है which is found to be red. That means जो हमारा event A है, selecting a red ball. I have to find the probability that it is from bag 2. That is a separate issue. सबसे पहले when I told you I enter a room, first of all I select a bag. The bag 1 is selected. let E2 be the event, bag 2. अब सबसे पहले रेड बॉल की प्रोबेबिलिटी निकालनी है, वो बैग 2 में से वो बेस थ्योरम का लास्ट स्टेप आ गया, दैट्स ओके। ठीक है, अब सबसे पहले हम निकालते हैं E1, प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ सिलेक्शन ऑफ बैग 1। हाउ मेनी बैग्स आई हैव? 2 बैग्स, तो उसमें से एक सिलेक्ट करने की प्रोबेबिलिटी कितनी हो जाएगी? 1/2। प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ E2, बैग 2 सिलेक्ट करना 1/2। अब किसकी प्रोबेबिलिटी निकालनी है? पहले हम टोटल प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ ये लिख लेते हैं। आई नीड टू फाइंड आउट द प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ अ रेड बॉल। तो इसमें क्या होगा? पहले बैग 1 इज सिलेक्टेड, उसमें से रेड बॉल, और बैग 2 इज सिलेक्टेड, उसमें से रेड बॉल। क्लियर? दैट मीन्स मुझे और किस किसकी प्रोबेबिलिटी चाहिए? प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ अ रेड बॉल फ्रॉम बैग 1। बैग 1 में से रेड बॉल आने की प्रोबेबिलिटी कितनी है? रेड बॉल्स 3, टोटल कितनी है? 7। प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ अ रेड बॉल फ्रॉम बैग 2, बैग 2 में कितनी रेड बॉल्स है? 5, टोटल कितनी है? 11। सो 5/11। आई गॉट ऑल द डेटा, जस्ट सब्स्टिट्यूट 1/2 it is. Alright, so I got the probability of A. Now what are they asking me? We have got the ball, find that it is from bag 2. I need to find red ball को हो गई select. I have to find out that it is from bag 2. That means I have to find out. What did I say? E2 वाला portion ऊपर, divided by total. Put the values. I can take 1/2 common from the denominator and I'll cancel. Add and find out the answer. Is this clear to everyone? Alright, clear? So this is all about Bayes theorem and it is very easy, no difficult thing at all. Only thing is that understand the statement well. Let's pick up more examples so things would be clear. Next is, given 3 identical boxes. There are 3 boxes, 1, 2 and 3. In box 1, both coins are gold coins. There are 2 coins, 2 gold coins. Bag 2, in box 2, both are silver coins. In bag 3, there is 1 gold and 1 silver. Clear? A person chooses a box at random and takes out a coin. If the coin is of gold, what is the probability that the other coin in the box is also gold? It means I have to find out first of all the probability of a gold coin. That means my A is the main event. अब gold coin, अब सबसे पहले again my question is, when I enter there are 3 boxes, first of all I'll choose the box. So E1 is selecting first box. Clear? Now probability of bag 1, this box 1. I have 3 boxes, so out of that 1 has to be selected 1/3. the probability of E2 also 1 by 3, probability of E3 also 1 by 3. Clear? I need to find out the probability of selecting a gold coin. I need to find out the first of all the probability of selecting a gold coin. तो क्या होगा? Bag 1 और उसमें से gold coin और bag 2 and then a gold coin. Bag 3 and then a gold coin. Alright. So that means I need to find out the bag 1 is selected, the probability of a gold coin from bag 1. I have to pick up one gold coin out of bag 1. So I have total 2 coins and both are gold. So 100% whenever I select it will be 2 by 2, 2 favorable, 2 total. So 1 is the probability of selecting a gold coin from bag 1. Selecting a gold coin from bag 2. In bag 2 there is no gold coin. So my favorable outcomes are 0. Total are 2. So 0. Probability of getting a gold coin from bag 3. There is one favorable, total are 2. So 1 by 2. That's it. Substitute the values. Alright. This is 0. Clear to everyone? Alright. Now the next point is, he says, find what is the probability that the other coin is also a gold coin. अब देखो directly नहीं बोल के कि find out the probability that the gold coin is from bag 2 या bag 1 या bag 3. अब उसने बोला find the probability that जिस bag में से gold coin है उसमें दूसरा भी gold coin ही है. अब दो gold coin कहाँ पर है? Bag 1 में. That means they're asking me to find out gold coin to select हो गया, but it is from bag या box 1. So what do we do? इस वाले portion की probability that is 1 by 3 and divided by total that is 1 by 2. So 2 by 3 is the answer. Is it clear? Again I would like to say the questions are very easy. The only thing is that you just have to read the statement, interpret it correctly and then solve. Let's see the next example. A doctor is to visit a patient. From the past experience, it is known that the probabilities that he will come by train, bus, scooter or by other means of transports are given. So that means I'll just assume he can come by, E1 is the event, comes by, say the first is given to be train, E2 is the event, he comes by bus, E3 is the event, he comes by scooter, E4 is the event, he comes by other means of transport. Clear? And इनका सबका probability is given to me. Probability that he comes by train is given to be 3 by 10. Probability he comes by bus is given to be 1 by 5. Probability he comes by scooter is given to be 1 by 10. And the probability he comes by other means of transport is given to be 2 by 5. This is given to me. Clear? Now he says the probabilities that he will be late are 1 by 4, 1 by 3 and 1 by 12 if he comes by train, bus or scooter respectively. अब late की probability जब वो train से आता है, late की probability जब वो bus से आता है, late की probability जब वो scooter से आता है, it's given. But if he comes by other means of transport, he is never late. When he arrives, he is late. वो late है. अब मुझे late की probability निकालनी है. Let A is the event. Doctor comes late. ठीक है? What is the probability that he comes by train? अब late आया, सबसे पहले late की probability निकालेंगे, फिर निकालेंगे कि वो late है जब वो train से आया. अब सबसे पहले late है, that means probability of A. And now I'm writing directly. You have done the enough questions. Probability he is late. He travels by train and he is late. ट्रेन से आया और लेट हो गया. स्कूटर से आया, सॉरी बस से आया एंड ही इज लेट. स्कूटर से आया पहले तो ट्रांसपोर्ट चूज करेगा ना वो, स्कूटर पे, बस पे या अदर मीन्स ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्ट. ही कम्स बाय अदर मीन्स ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्ट एंड देन ही इज लेट. A probability that he comes by train is 1 by 3 by 10 into, क्या मुझे दे रखा है, he is late, the probability that he is late is 1 by 4 when he comes by train. That means late आना जब वो ट्रेन से ट्रैवल करता है is given to be 1 by 4. अब पहले बस से आया. अब probability that he is late when he travels by bus is 1 by 3. He travels by scooter is 1 by 10. The probability he is late when he travels by scooter is 1 by 12. He comes by other means of transport 2 by 5 reasons, but he is never late. That means the probability will be 0, that he is never late. Clear? Alright. That's it. So this is the probability of A. अब वो क्या पूछ रहे हैं? He is late. वो late पहुंच गया. Find out करो कि वो late पहुंचा when he travelled by, when he came by train. That means train से आना. That's it. So what I do? The first part divided by the total. Understood? Any doubt anyone has? I hope it's clear to everyone by now. Clear? We'll pick up one more example so that things are more clear. A man is known to speak truth 3 out of 4 times. A man is known to speak truth 3 out of 4 times. He throws a die and reports that it is a 6. वो 4 में से 3 टाइम सच बोलता है. ठीक है. He throws a die and reports that it is a 6. उसने die फेंका और उसने बोल दिया कि 6 आया है. Find the probability that it is actually a 6. Actually 6 मतलब वो सच बोल रहा है. Is it clear? Actually a 6. Understood? So that means क्या क्या हो सकता है? The man reports. I had to find the probability that it is actually a 6. पहले वो क्या कहता है? A man is known to speak truth 3 out of 4 times. 3 out of 4 times. So I can assume the events. E2 क्या हो जाएगा? So probability of he speak truth is given to be 3 by 4. Probability he does not speak truth is given to be 1 minus 3 by 4. It will be 1 by 4 definitely. He does not speak truth means 1 minus he speaks truth. अब A event किसको assume करेंगे हम लोग? A is the event. A garbage. I'll just tell you one thing. See now the question is little reverse. Let's take this question this way. Otherwise we'll just get a little confused. He says a man is known to speak truth 3 out of 4 times. ठीक है? And he throws a die and reports that it is a 6. So my main event is he reports that it is a 6. Alright. Find the probability that it is actually a 6. So actually a 6 that means E1 is actually 6 occurs and E2 हो जाएगा 6 does not occur. अब ये निकालना है. अब probability that 6 occurs. क्या होती है probability that 6 occurs? 1 by 6. Probability that 6 does not occur. अब देखो मुझे प्रोबेबिलिटी निकालनी है दैट मैन रिपोर्ट्स दैट इट इज 6. अब एक्चुअली ये 6 है, वो बेस थ्योरम के अंडर आ जाएगा. ही रिपोर्ट्स इट इज अ 6. सबसे पहले 6 आया एंड ही रिपोर्ट्स ऑल्सो दैट इट इज अ 6. 6 नहीं आया और उसने रिपोर्ट कर दिया कि इट इज अ 6, क्योंकि वो झूठ भी बोल रहा है. फर्स्ट 6 हैज अकर्ड, इवन हो गया, और उसने रिपोर्ट किया कि यस 6 आया है. 6 नहीं आया पर उसने रिपोर्ट किया 6 आया है, बिकॉज ए इज ही रिपोर्ट्स दैट 6 अकर्स. सो अब इसका तो हमें पता है 1/6. अब प्रोबेबिलिटी दैट 6 आया है और उसने भी 6 बोला है, इसका मतलब वो सच बोल रहा है. द वे वी आर राइटिंग कि इवन ही स्पीक्स ट्रुथ, वही चीज है, पर हमने थोड़ा सा लैंग्वेज चेंज करके लिखा है उसको. सच बोल रहा है दैट 6 आया है, तो सच बोल रहा है, कितने चांसेस में सच बोलता है? 3/4. उसने बोला 6 आया है पर वो सच नहीं बोल रहा, 6 नहीं आया, तो 1/4. 1 minus 3/4. So this way you have to take the question. That's why I was telling you we have to interpret the question correctly, then only it will be of use. So got it? So it will be 1/24 I can take out. Fine. So now he says he has already reported it is a 6. Find out karo actually the 6 came. Actually it is a 6. Actually it is a 6 is which event? Even. So what will be the formula? Only the even wala part pick kiya. Divided by total, which has come 1/3. Solve it. 3/8 would be the answer. Is it clear? I hope the things are clear to you all. Bayes theorem is clear. Only thing again and again I would like to say, you have to understand the questions properly. That is the main thing. Alright, then only you will be able to solve, and then definitely the question would be coming from Bayes theorem. Fine. And so read it properly, and it's very simple. Only understanding of the question matters a lot.